Listen, today I'm gonna show you how to step up your appetizer game with these delicious, crispy fried Parmesan zucchini chips. Y'all ready? Get in your kitchen, let's go. All right, let's do a quick rundown of our ingredients. Right here, we have our zucchini back here, and I just sliced them fairly thin right here, as you can see. You can slice them as thick or thin as you like. It's totally up to you, but these are zucchini chips, so we're gonna kind of make them just a little bit thinner. Have eggs here. Right here, what I did, I have one shredded zucchini here. Just take a look at it. See, I shredded it. And once you shred it, you want to make sure you squeeze all the water out of it as much as possible. Grated Parmesan cheese here, breadcrumbs, flour, black pepper. We have basil, oregano, and thyme in here, salt, paprika, and onion powder. So this is what we're going to use. Let's get to it. To get started, we're going to sprinkle a little salt over our zucchini. And what this is going to do is going to allow it to release some of that moisture. We're going to do that, and we're going to let it sit here for a few minutes, and it's going to release some of that moisture. All right, so we're going to let that sit for a few minutes, and we're going to come back. All right, so we're going to start off by preparing our breading. We're going to add our breadcrumbs here, along with our basil, oregano, and thyme, our onion powder, our shredded zucchini, and our shredded Parmesan cheese. And we're just gonna give this a mix just like this. All right, that's looking good. And guys, I forgot to add our flour. We definitely gonna add our flour in here. I knew something was missing out of that particular mixture. Let's mix this again. All right, now that's looking better. I knew something was missing. All right, so now let's move this aside. Bring over our eggs. And guys, don't forget to hit your breading with a little salt and pepper to taste. All right, with our eggs, we're gonna dash it with our paprika. Dash some hot sauce. I know I didn't have that in there, but we're gonna add that hot sauce in there. I had a little leftover Parmesan cheese. I'm gonna add it in here. And we're gonna give that a whisk. All right, it looks like we are good there. Now, we're gonna set up our workstation so we can get these babies in our Dutch oven. So now that our workstation is set up, we have our zucchini here, our egg wash back here, our breading here, and we're gonna drop it off here on this resting rack. And while you're doing this, go ahead and preheat your oil up to 350 degrees. We're gonna grab this baby here. We're gonna add it in here, this egg wash. Come over here with our dry hand. Just like that. Look at that, guys. We're gonna rest that right there. Go ahead and do the rest. Well, not the rest of them. We're gonna go ahead and do our first batch. Take the dry hand, just like that. I can tell when that bread is sticking to that, the product, you already know what it's gonna be about. And we're gonna go ahead and finish these off, and then we're gonna come back. All right, so we have our first batch all breaded up. Man, take a look at that. We're gonna head over to our Dutch oven. The oil is ready, and we're gonna get these babies baptized in this hot grease. All right, I'm gonna do my temperature check. Oh yeah, that baby ready. So we're gonna go ahead and start dropping these babies in here. We're gonna let these babies cook for 4 to 7 minutes. Guys, take a look at that. Oh man, these babies are ready. We're gonna go ahead and get them out of here. I got a resting rack over here. Take a look at that. That's what I'm talking about. I'm gonna sit these aside, and we're gonna do the rest of them. We're gonna come back and do the rest of them. All right, so now let's shut off our heat and head over to our cutting board. So this is all our fried zucchini chip. There's nothing else to do but get these babies plated up and into quality control. Guys, and there you have it. Crispy fried zucchini chips. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. We're gonna go ahead and jump into quality control so we can do a quick taste test. Yes, it's quality control, man. Look at these zucchini. Now, let me not disrespect them. Parmesan zucchini chips. Look at that, man. Look at all that Parmesan on that thing now. Ooh, man. We're just gonna do a quick taste test. Now listen, I ain't got no dip, man. So you have to find your own dip recipe or dip it in whatever you. I don't want to dip mine in no dip, man. Listen. And you can hear the crunch. I like these better than the potato crisp I did. These are delicious. Oh, man. Listen, this is a great appetizer for game day or just a light little snack. And yes, I know the next question. Can you do it in the air fryer? Yes, you can. You can do this in the air fryer. So until then, y'all already know who I am. All wings, everything. And remember, I'm not a chef, just cook a lot. And now I'm out. Peace.